Hello guys, welcome back to Blitz Brigade. This time I'm gonna chainsaw and murder some people. So this is the statistics. Let's go and do some damage. So let's get a small map. Oh no, flag capture. Yeah, it's more like it. And also I just uploaded a record video. If you want to watch it, you can go ahead and do that. It'll be great. And I'm about to hit 400 subscribers, and that's very legit right there. I think I have 375 or something like that. Okay, let's do quick play. And don't get me on one of those big ass maps, like freaking Madagascar or something like that. Oh yeah, somebody used my name. So whoever did that, thank you very much. Thank you for advertising me, and I guess I have a lot of fans. No, I only have one fan because he used my name. Thanks. Shout out. I'm guessing this is Malta Dogs. It could also be Malta Fort, which would suck because I can't do much on Malta Fort. Yeah, this is Madagascar ruins. So they're like little what? I never noticed these posters. He's watching you. I'm guessing that's a sniper. I'm gonna look for some more posters. The gunner's pretty fast. That was so epic win. That was cold, man. But I know how to get to you, so you better be running now. Yeah, man. Totally do. I wanna run your butt off. I think that was too far.
1 minute remaining.
Great. What a wonderful match. Okay, whatever. I'm right here, boy.
Double kill.
You're trying to shoot me. I got you. Epic win. Sure am. Thanks. Now I need to get out of here. What the freak? Sorry guys, that was a mistake. Aha! Look who I found.
Victory!
Great, man. Look at me. Look at me in the 3rd place. Look at that. Let's go to another map. Let's go to a bigger map this time. Yeah, sounds good. Does anyone know this game, Contra Evolution? It's a pretty good game. Just random. But even though it's an old game and it doesn't have much graphics, I think that's one of the best games. Like, I think that's like the invention of run and gun. And also respawnables. Yeah, I'm gonna do an episode after this. So, yeah, I'm gonna totally do an episode after this, which is the same thing, but nobody's okay. Are you serial? Are you kidding me? I don't want that. It's lame.
Wahoo! Yeah!
No, I'm not a medic.
Line 'em up!
Are you gonna ditch me like that?
Enemy team has taken the lead. First kill.
Can't beat a classic. Good try, but I saw you. I mean, who wouldn't? Like, he's just wandering around right in front of me. How stupid is that? Just chainsaw the barrel. I'm gonna go. Come on, let's do it. Can you stop moving?
Your team has taken the lead.
Thanks, man. Love the exercise.
I am Epic Win.
At least I can muscle up some more. Bam, bam, bam. Surprise! Okay, that was not a surprise. Great! Looks like he did the job. You stop. Nail gun. Oh god, please. Oh please. Oh please. Bail time. Guess not. Too late.
Line 'em up.
I love the chainsaw. It's just awesome. Perfecto. Job done. Like a man. Like a boss. Love the I-4. Excuse me. You wanna not kill me? Oh my god, what is that? That looks bloody. Is that a shark? Oh my gosh. Hats off to your graphics, Blitz Brigade. Hats off. I know I saw a medic somewhere. Don't shoot! Burn you to death. We got this. Ha ha ha. Team Fortress. What a great game. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this episode here. Thank you for watching.